What up, y'all? So, the Vette is sort of running. I know I ain't really been making a lot of videos with it, but yep, just waiting on this train to go by. But it's running. I still have to do the harmonic balancer. I got a new balancer from Summit, so I got a Summit balancer, new bolt, all of that. I'm just in it, for a second now, but still got to get that put on. But the car runs good. It's just got that little squeak from that old balancer on there, so hopefully I can get this in the shop soon if they get an opening. But hopefully I can get this in the shop, get that replaced. I got some new sway bar links going on here. Feel like I got something else new. I don't know. Got to change the brakes too while I'm at it, so got a lot going on for that. But hopefully everything will be back together and be running 1010 within like the next couple weeks, hopefully. So, but yeah, just giving y'all some little train track thoughts real quick. But let me get back to driving, and I'll be back at y'all later with a video.